I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Joan Baez's timeless song, Diamonds and Rust. We'll start by setting up your guitar correctly, including capo placement and tuning. Then, we'll dive into the fundamental chords and the beautiful fingerpicking style that defines this piece. Finally, we'll cover the song structure and how to bring out its emotional depth. To play Diamonds and Rust in its original key, you'll need to place a capo on the first fret of your guitar. Ensure your guitar is in standard E a D G B E tuning. The song primarily uses a set of common chords, including E minor, C, G, D, A minor, B minor, and B7. Focus on cleanly forming these shapes and practicing seamless changes between them. The heart of Diamonds and Rust lies in its intricate fingerpicking. For the intro and verses, your thumb will handle the bass notes on the 6th, 5th, or 4th strings. Your other fingers will pluck the higher strings, typically 3, 2, and 1. Focus on a consistent, flowing rhythm. Incorporate subtle hammer-ons and pull-offs to add texture, especially in the E minor sections, creating that signature sound. The song follows a clear structure, moving through intros, verses, choruses, and a bridge. Pay close attention to the dynamics. Play the verses with a reflective, softer touch, then build intensity for the choruses. Let the poignant lyrics guide your emotional expression. Practice transitioning smoothly between sections, ensuring your fingerpicking and chord changes are fluid. Aim for a cohesive performance that captures the song's profound feeling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.